Hi everybody, this is a short video how Vyoocam operates. So in this hand I have like the Vyoocam working prototype connected to the battery pack. And now we're going to show how it operates. I'm going to connect it to the computer. Android launcher. So this is actually what's going on the device. Device is connected to the internet because it can recognize the previous settings. And here we see some apps that are installed, for instance Zoom and Skype. So what we can do now, we can now tap on Zoom and start a Zoom call. What we are doing right now is controlling Vyoocam over the screen of a desktop computer and starting a Zoom call. Zoom call that we are actually establishing is from the app installed on the Vyoocam to the app installed on a mobile device. For this demo, I intentionally covered the front-facing camera on a mobile phone because in a use case with the Vyoocam, it's going to be only one-way video from Vyoocam to the mobile phone or a desktop, not two-way video communication. Now we're gonna stop the Zoom call and try the same with the Skype, but it can be any other app. It is important to understand that the Vyoocam is an Android operating system without a built-in screen. So to control it, in this demo, at this time, we are using a screen of a desktop computer. Apps that we are using, Zoom and Skype, are actually installed from a Google Play Store, pre-installed on a Vyoocam device. Vyoocam has a built-in microphone, so it sends video and audio as well. But also it has a Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect any headphones, Bluetooth headphones, and have two-way audio communication with the user at the other side, either on a desktop or a mobile phone.